Today we're going to use a scrap piece of wood, a bunch of these ribbons, and pick out a piece or two of these. And this is what we're going to make. Stay tuned. It's amazing what you can do with a scrap piece of wood. I'm going to make this two-sided fall and Halloween decoration. Now with these wood shapes, I'm going to pick out a piece that could be used as the stem of the pumpkin. Now I'm going to take my stem and I'm going to paint it brown, and then I think I'm going to add a little bit of green on top of it so it looks more realistic. Now I'm going to sketch what I think I want my pumpkin to look like. Now I'm going to use black acrylic paint, and I'm just going to paint in what I've sketched out. And I'm going to use these cute little tags, and I'm going to write Happy Halloween so that I can attach it to the front of my pumpkin. I bought this little stack of ribbons at Hobby Lobby the other day for $4.99, I believe. And I think these are going to make a great rag top for the pumpkin. Then I decided I wanted to add a little bit of raffia to the bow as well. So I went ahead and grabbed a bunch, folded it in half, and I tied a little knot in it to hold it in place. I hot glued on the stem and then I tied the ribbons around it and then I held it in with hot glue. I did the same for the Happy Halloween tag. And here's what it looks like finished. I think it turned out really nice. It might be a great project to do with the kids too. This will take you through Halloween and using the backside all the way through Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching.